Good day, sir, madam. I am Nobilin Garcia and I am 39 years old at this time. I am single and no child. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. I work as domestic helper in Lebanon for 2 years. And I serve one couple and two children, ages 3 years old and 2 years old. I also work as domestic helper in Dubai for 7 years. I serve one couple and five children, ages 17, 15, 13, 8, and 3 years old. I also work as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 8 years. I serve one couple, three adults, and one child aged 9 years old. My main duties from my previous employer are doing the household chores like cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, and car washing. My working time abroad is start at 8 a.m. until 6 p.m. If the parents of my employer is always finding mistake to my work, I will do my best to prove my work. The most important thing is to carrying a baby is to taking a bath, changing clothes, and feeding them. I can also sing a nursery rhyme like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. My last message to my future employer is I need this job and I love to work. I will respect and obey my employer and I promise that I finish my 2 years contract. Thank you, sir and madam.